Welcome, in front of me is an LG Q60 and today I'll show you how to enable and set up portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down the notification panel and extend it, and from here go to the second page, at least that's where it is for me. So you see the hotspot. Now you can simply enable it. Well, actually I can't because I don't have a SIM card, but you could tap on it to enable it or hold it and it will take you to the settings where you can tap on set up Wi-Fi hotspot and it will give you a bunch of options right here. So number one, Wi-Fi name, which is the name that will be visible in the networks. Then you have security. Now I'll keep it on the one that it is set by default. Otherwise your network will be accessible to everybody around that can see it. Then you have the password. So you can tap on show password and it will show you the password that it's set by default. And you can also change it by just removing this one and, for instance, setting up a new one, and it can be anything you want. So as you can see, this will work just fine. And then at the bottom you also have maximum users. So this is how many users you can connect at a single time to your network. So if you're doing it occasionally, I would probably say 2 is good enough. They still need the password to connect anyway. So there's just 2 people that will be able to connect at the same time to your account right here, or well, network. But if you want, you can set up more depending on what your needs are. And once you're satisfied with everything, you can tap on save, and from here you would just enable it and you can find it. So now it's enabled and you can take other device and connect to this network as you would normally do to any kind of other network using the password that you have changed, and the name of the network is the one right here. So you can also change that, but at this moment it's Q60 7860. So that's how you would set up and enable the hotspot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.